Good morning, everybody. What we got today? Today's Monday, March 8, 2021. So far, I know I have a steering wheel installation to do. I'm gonna get in, and customer's probably there already. I'm gonna have that going on. It was a GBODY CUTLASS. We did 22-inch staggered Lexani. They're either solar or turbines, but it's a real nice wheel. One piece staggered, very reasonably priced. If I'm not mistaken, package 22s, staggered rims, tires, matching steering wheel. It's right around the $3,000 price range. I personally know this customer for a while, Pep, a local guy, and he just didn't want to. He didn't want to bring the car out because the weather. It's a nice day today. So we're gonna go ahead and get the install going for his steering wheel, and if everything goes well, and if I remember to, I'll grab my GoPro and I'll record it. It's so the tool you need for it is a tool rental from auto parts store. They usually take a $20 deposit. You rent the tool. You can take it back. I usually don't, because I use it all the time. I use it often. When you do go rent it though, there's about 6 or 8 bolts for different and my belt keeps beeping. There's 6 to 8 bolts. It should be 3 and 3 or 4 and 4. When you go and rent the tool, make sure you inspect them, because a lot of people don't know how to use it. Or from what I've seen, sometimes the bolts are stripped right at the tip, and that's exactly what you need to go into the center of the steering wheel to remove it. So when you do happen to rent a steering wheel removal tool, check your bolts. I've gotten all the way to the shop, forgot to check the bolts, and sure enough, they're different. They're usually not missing. People would, customers would shove any long bolt in there, because at the end of the day, the people at the counter, they just take it in. They don't really inspect it. So what I usually do when I go to get the steering wheel puller tool, I will ask them for one, inspect it. They usually have 2 or 3 or 4 in hand, and then what I like to do is, if one is bad, I just say, you know what, let me see all of them, and then I make one really good kit out of all of their broken kits, and that's what I use. See you guys in a bit. Oh, low battery. Dang. So much. Look at this. Okay. Socket.
¿Qué lado es el grande? Que lo quiere en la misma posición que estaba chueco para que porque se lo va a llevar a otra vez a alinear, dice.
Nada más entra de una manera.
Ah, entonces, ¿ok?
Yeah, it's only one way. Oh, quítame la tapadera ya. Should be a thinner one. They already messed it up. Okay. Good. Got it, my boy?
Yeah.
Okay. Unas pinzas oh, esa misma, never mind. Para apretarla ahí.
¿Quiere que saque un dado? ¿Traiga un dado? ¿Vale?
Esa, la misma ya. Okay. Se tiene que meter para que cuando haga la presión no se barre. So, con unas 3-4 vueltas.
Ya.
Y se mira chueco. So I gotta... Ahí va. This one off. No, this one down.
Lo voy jalando, ¿va?
Yep. See it over here? There's a gap.
There you go.
Done, son. Boom. Come right off. Despedaza ese.
Yeah.
And put the parts back in, please.
Got it.
And now, this bad boy needs the horn. There it is. del all that.
Aquí en la...
Oh, sí, ya le puse nada más los, ya, si quieres ármalo, nada más los puse para que no se perdiera nada. Y el centro, ¿sabes qué? Ocupo el horn.
Ya este.
Se quita el clip ahí, ¿no?
Ya.
Yeah. So what I'll do is le pongo todo menos esto para cuando él lo alinee lo pueda meter. But I want to make sure it works.
Al rato no sale como las bocinas, no trato de dejarlo para no romperlo, pero ya le puché el clip que tiene ahí.
Tiene un desarmador delgadito, flat,
Flat.
chiquito flat, ya. Yeah.
¿Me sirve este? O hay que moverle lo de atrás.
Ahí irá este mero.
Aquí sería este entonces, la gente que family.
¿Eh?
Yep. Alright. That's me strap for.
Yep. No, the horn's not working. So you gotta go there? Okay. Okay. ¿Cómo estaba? ¿Un poquito para allá?
Ya torcido.
So aquí maybe?
Más para allá. Aquí.
Okay. No ando haciendo contacto. Dame una, la que le ponemos las tapas de plástico para que no dañe el volante. Okay. So I got it. It's gonna have to be this one. Good. So este va allí. Carlo así. Lo malo es que si toca a un tape negro little electro tape, we good. Not bad. Three cups of coffee.
¿Sí?
I usually just have two. Hold on, let me get one more at the house.
¿Pero fue el large o el chili?
En la casa lo que me tomo.
Ya.
Pero es que agarré otro vaso y él no sabía cuánto poner en el vaso. Dije, I'm gonna try it. A little bit. I don't want it to get stuck. So right now it's working. Gucci. There we go. The horn works. We got it off to the side because he needs to get in alignment. Oh, your boy Pep said for the right price. Money talks. Bro, you can eat off of there, bro. Look at that.
Okay, it's got the original jack and everything. 15 cash, no less, no more.
Here you go.
Dímelo down, you know.
He already got the magic number. Hot 15 bands.
The suspension's all
Turnkey. Turnkey, jump in and ride. This thing is ridiculous clean.
No, si las bocinas y el pinche amplifier son $2,000. Nomás eso. Esas son $450 cada una. El amp me costó $950. Y luego el radio $200.
I don't get no cleaner than this, man.
You can't. All the door jams, everything.
Yeah, I see it.
It's hot the hood. It's got everything underneath the hood. Put it for more if you want. Everything original, nothing's been changed. It all works perfect.
Nice, bro. It's really nice. ¿Qué más quieres?